Hi, good morning. So today's yet another Friday. We're gonna hang out, do some stuff. Don't know what we're gonna do, but something. Right now, we're at the pet store. We're gonna get some food for my dogs, and then we'll see where the day takes us. Let's go. Okay, hi. So now I'm in my car and I have to clean it out because it's super dirty. Like, look at this. It's actually disgusting in here, and then I need to get it washed. Okay. I think I'm doing pretty good. All my trash fit in this one little container. All right, let's get this bee cleaned. See what I got for my dogs. We're gonna give them, what's this? We're gonna give them a treat right now. What should we give them? Next.
These are cute.
What should we give them?
These ones or these ones?
Oh, okay. These ones.
Yeah, I'll try this one next.
By the way, because I know you guys are gonna ask, Cody's not my boyfriend.
Like, oh yeah, smell it.
Oh, I don't like that smell.
It to me smells like old like top ramen seasoning, like beef.
Oh my god.
Yeah, right?
It does. Okay, no. She's like, please. Oh, Nix is like, Athena, please. Wait your turn. Okay,
so
wait. Athena, you're doing too much. By the way, she gets treats often. Like, she's not starved. Okay. Okay, next, you're next. Okay, Nikki. Oh, look at this good dog. First of all. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, she ate that crazy. We're gonna give one to Maya. She is all the way upstairs though because I keep my dogs separated. Yum. She looks nice. Turn. Okay. Yum. She's leaving. Oh my god, so cute. It says doggy wanna. Right? Is this for dogs? No, duh. Right? It says doggy wanna.
It says 3 steps.
They're like, oh, you put it like in the pocket like that.
Cuties.
Like Nix has tea or whatever all over her. Goodbye. Yum. Our other friend. And this is what I'm wearing. Very cute. Very casual.
It's nasty. Because it's not carbonated.
Anyways, I have not eaten at all. Cody's literally sick. We need food, like genuinely. So let's go.
Love how I'm wearing white.
Yum. I don't know where our friend is though. Look at it, it's beautiful. I'm gonna try it. There's no like straws. Cheers. Oh, that's good. I don't even know. What is it like? It has beer and tequila. It's so good. Fire, guys. It's like a beer.
It's a beer.
Like,
there's tequila.
She said there's tequila in it.
Oh. I went to a beer.
Oh my god, I got these straws. They're so cute. The straws. Fire.
But my sister, like my blood one, she lives in Corpus Christi, which is like 5 hours away from Austin, but she just drives here every weekend.
Our friend Liz is here now. Okay guys, so we got our first thing. Look at this. Our garlic, what are they? Garlic truffle fries?
I was just gonna take a straight shot. I was like, let's not do that. It's not.
You're like, no, I want to take a shot. Fire.
Where did we go when we got some that were super soggy though?
What do you guys rate them?
Like a 7. So probably 8. They're really good.
Like an 8.
Yeah, they're little. Okay guys, I'm trying quail eggs for the first time. This is a quail egg.
I thought they were gonna be like.
We're gonna try it
Do you
together.
want us to peel it for you? Okay. So I'm gonna do a full order. That's 18 pieces of traditional shrimp. You want kick and mix? How spicy? I'll do original.
Okay. Yeah.
Add-ons.
And the outside is hard, and the inside is creamy. Yeah, I don't know. I rate a quail egg a 3.
Shrimp.
Baby corn moves so weird.
I'm glad to be friends again.
Me too. I'm so happy about it.
Are you dripping?
I'm done. She done. Hi. Good morning. So right now is the next day, obviously, and we're gonna go on a little hike. I really enjoyed the food yesterday. It was great. Put me out though. Like I went home and played Overwatch for like 5 hours. So yeah. Now my dog Athena and I are gonna go on a hike. When I go by myself, I bring her because she's a big girl. She's 60 pounds. And she's very protective. So this is my favorite lip product right now. It's literally so amazing. And it smells like maple syrup. I know it says glazed donut, but it's not giving glazed donut. Look at my lips. Don't they look so kissable? So cute. Anyways, let's go. All right, let's go. I drive like 30 minutes to come here, but, well, one, I don't. I love driving, so it doesn't bother me. 30 minutes is pretty short, but I really like it because it's just so peaceful here, especially when like the kids are in school. There's like nobody here, and I just like, I don't know. Part of being outside is being able to experience it by yourself. Like, I love people, but I just like, I love being by myself too. Oh my god, look at these trees. Oh my gosh. I love how they're shaped. It's like you're walking into like a forest. I just love when trees hang like this. Like, how cool is that? I don't know, it's like when you walk under it, it's like so magical. Something about nature just brings out like my inner child. When you're ready. Okay, so we're gonna go back a little bit and check out this little stream right here. I've never been down this way, even though I'm here all the time, so I'm really excited to check it out with you. It's actually so cool down here. Lots of spider birds. So pretty. You got this. Ooh. All right. Yeah, don't eat that. Don't eat that. Oh man. Areas like this is just so cool to me because you can really vibe. Oh my gosh. There's lots of bugs though. Like there's lots of, oh my god, this isn't even set. Hi. There's lots of bugs here. Like ants. Can you guys see them? I wanted to just chill here, but the ants are saying no. Really cool area though. All right, no chilling in cool areas because ants. We're rocking and rolling now. Look at this good girl. Okay, let's go. Dogs are amazing, don't they? Just like brighten up the world, I feel. My god, guys, this tree is literally so beautiful. Look at it. It's so strong. Look at the way it's shaped and grooved. I just love trees. Oh my god. We're gonna start the incline here, so I'm gonna start huffing and puffing soon. I just saw a black butterfly. Let's put it in 4-wheel drive. just wanted to say that these look so freaking cool. Like, I know they're all dry, but they look like they're out of like a black and white film. So cool. Guys, in all this like dead things, look at what I found. A beautiful flower. Honestly, it just makes you appreciate life. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I always go this way, so here we go. Do you ever just get the urge to like drive 5 hours to somewhere with no service, just like sleep in your car? Or is that just me? God, guys, these flowers are so beautiful. There's still some left, so I have to show you. You're gonna love them. Are you ready? Look at them. They're falling apart. They're not in their glory, but they're just as beautiful. My dog's like geeked out because she saw a man and he disappeared, and now she's like on guard. It's okay, Mama. Let's go. I love female dogs. I feel like they're so protective. I think male dogs are too. Just something about me, I really vibe with female dogs. Probably because, you know, I can be a little bit of a bee too. I'm only hiking 1.5 miles today because all summer it's been so hot and I haven't been hiking for like 3 months, only like little tiny hikes, so my endurance is low, as you can hear. But this was really fun, and we gotta do it again. You know, I really like spending my Fridays with you. Oh, this is the guy. We think she deserves a treat. I think she does. Okay. Yum. Would you like another treat? I think she does. Sit. Good girl. All right. Oh man, guys. Whew. That was fun. What the fuck is going on? Honestly, that was a lot of fun. As I was saying before we were so rudely interrupted, thank you so much for hanging out with me this Friday. And you know, I've really been enjoying this. And let's do it again. Bye. Oh my god, I also forgot to tell you, if you like this video, subscribe, like, comment. Okay, bye.